Hi, welcome to another video from me, ZXLee. Okay, today I'm going to show you one of the project that I've made, which is the digital clock displayed on 7 segment. So there's 4 7 segment here, allows me to display the hours and the minutes. So I haven't include the seconds. Okay, and all the time information get from the RTC clock, which I've made a breakout board. As you can see here, DS1307 RTC breakout board. This can be made using DIY PCB method. I've covered it before. Okay, let's move on to see how the digital clock works. Let me power up the Arduino. Okay, as you can see now, it's 4:56. Alright, let me check with the phone. Okay, so 4:56 in the afternoon. Alright, the time is correct. So the time is actually get from the RTC clock, which I've set it previously. So currently I haven't included a function to allow me set the time from the 7 segment. So this is basically how the digital clock works. Alright, thanks for watching. Bye.